Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. Warm welcome, 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 welcome. So today's video is super short. This is a follow-up to what I did to my hair. This is my hair recovery diary as of January. I'm taking my headband off. You guys, this is what my hair is currently looking like. This is my wish list. I wish for my edges to be thicker, fuller, and have a little bit more length to them, okay? Yes, you guys. So as you can see, it's a little thin around the perimeter there. Also, I like healthier hair, healthier scalp, hair retention, you guys. Lengthier hair. Okay, so this is the nape of my head here. Remember, I'm growing my hair out from tapered hair. So I would like fuller and thicker and lengthier hair there in the back. Okay, you guys, and so overall, I just want to feel beautiful and confident with my hair. On my way to hopefully accomplish that. See you tulips in the next one. Smooches.